Did you guys fit okay?
Yes.
See, babe, I told you we could fit.
Alright, now we are heading to the port.
Yeah. Island Hopping. Do you have your own snorkeling mask?
Yes.
Yeah. So our itinerary for today is 3 islands. The Guyam Island. The Guyam Island is called Guyam because according to the owner, before the Guyam is a grove of small ants. So but right now there is no ants because there's a lot of people going on that island. So next island is the Daku Island, that one. Daku Islands means big because all the islands under by the municipality of General Luna, that's big. So there is a 150 families local living on that island. So our food is already there.
Okay.
150 families, sir.
Yeah.
So our food is already there.
Okay.
So last island is the Naked Island. Naked Island is right now is a white sandbar. The island itself will give naked because that depends upon the weather. Sometimes the weathers come from this direction, so the island will transfer to nearby. Yeah, so that's why all the trees you want to grow is growing to the water. Yeah.
If you have watched my previous island hopping vlogs here in Siargao, we normally take the bangka, which is the local boat. The advantage of taking the speedboat is it's super quiet and it's super fast and it's just a much more pleasant trip. The disadvantage is it can get very, very expensive. So we are paying for 5 of us per person. It's 4,800, and the reason why I've decided to do this is because this is supposed to be a family trip. Cressa's relatives are visiting. Unfortunately, Cressa's parents couldn't make it to this trip, so yeah, we have the speedboat and the whole resort to ourselves. I did hope that they would make it, but unfortunately, when sickness happens, prioritize your health instead of travel. Yeah, so speedboat is a good thing to book if you want a more pleasant, more luxurious trip. I don't know, it felt like 5 minutes to get here from town, and normally a bangka would take so much longer than that. It's so much slower. The speedboat's really fast, so that's another advantage. We left town around 10:30 a.m. and we feel like we still got the whole day. And what we did was we also reversed the tour. So normally you start out, I think, in Naked Island, and then you move on to Daku Island where the food is. We started out in Guyam, so it's quite empty. You get almost the whole island to yourself, which I love. I love it when, you know, I get to experience having a place to myself. And guys, today is a Saturday, so I don't know, maybe that's something you can also suggest if you do end up island hopping here in Siargao. Another thing I find interesting as well is that every time I'm in Guyam, it's like things change, and I think it's because maybe if a typhoon hits, you know, some things break and some things stay. And also living by the ocean, you know, some things always also like rots, like if it's something made of wood. If you've seen my vlog with Natalie, my business partner, we were doing some balancing thing. I'll leave that vlog up here. It's a more of a fun and relaxing vlog. But today you have a surfboard as one of the activities you can do in Guyam Island. Oh my gosh! So shaky! I guess it's a good place to practice surfing before you actually go surfing. Hi babes! How are you enjoying
Good.
Guyam, your wine?
How are you enjoying your wine?
Oh, just starting. View here is super duper amazing. Love it here.
And it's kind of chill, it's not too hot.
So nice.
And the boat with the loudest music is our boat for some reason.
Alright, Daku Island. Big. Yeah. Big island. So this is where a lot of people live at the back.
Oh. Do you want me to carry anything?
Yeah. And there's school here as well.
The school?
Yeah.
So there's another activity like this, ma'am, hiking.
Hiking?
Very far.
I did that na. Corridor? Diba Corridor Island?
Yes, ma'am.
Yung hiking, yeah. I've done that na. Doon naman, it wasn't far.
Yes, ma'am.
today is actually really hot. And we are finding our designated cottage where we are going to eat. And yeah, it's in the far end. We had to park the boat in the other end because the waves were really big today. So it was a nice way to actually have a glimpse of the whole island, especially for the guests visiting. Ooh, brand new.
Yeah, ma'am. There is no table, ma'am, because ang table gigamit sa sit up sa food.
Okay, so they'll just drag the table here. Okay, so that's nice. You can see it's newly made. The wood still looks a little bit wet, but it's not so nice. Wow, first class. All right, let's have a look at the kitchen and how the cooking is going. That's our food. So ready na?
This one, I prefer lang, ma'am.
Okay. See you.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know. All of my problems, I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know.
Sure.
All of my problems, I know. Maybe I need a break, maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.
All right, we are back now and super awesome. They just dropped us right in front of Maison Bucana, so we didn't have to go to the pier and all that. So nice here. Anyway guys, thank you for watching another vlog from the Traveling Foxes. If you're new to my channel again, please don't forget to subscribe, and also hopefully you can like this video if you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you all in the next adventure. Bye for now. My Chanel is saying bye too.